Well, Snoop fans, today we're at North Pole, Alaska. It's cold. Come join us. North Pole, Alaska is a town of about 2,700 people just about 15 miles south of Fairbanks. It isn't the magnetic North Pole, which is still about 1,700 miles to the north, but the town has grasped the theme and the spirit of Christmas. Aside from the normal Alaska things to do like hunting and fishing, North Pole is a Christmas-themed town which embraces Christmas year-round. The first stop was to the Santa Claus House, which is a fun-filled Christmas-themed store that has just about anything Christmas inside. Here you will find Alaska-made gifts, unique toys, one of the largest selections of nutcrackers and snow globes, as well as tasty treats. Toward the back is Santa's workshop, and as you walk around, you may catch a glimpse of the jolly old man. Outside Santa's house is the largest statue of Santa Claus, standing at 43 feet. Another surprise is that parents can arrange to have letters sent from Santa if they are on the nice list. There is a board that displays many of the letters sent to Santa through the years. As you move around the Santa statue, you will see a candy cane pole indicating North Pole, guarded by candy canes. During my short visit with Santa, he mentioned a trail that leads to the reindeer playground, which is also part of the Antler Academy. When available, you can pet and feed the reindeer. There are some serious horns back there. One of the mystical parts of the Santa Claus house is the decorated window displays. Each window has a different theme, and it doesn't take much imagination to figure out what those themes are. And driving down Santa Claus Lane with the streetlights decorated in candy cane designs bring you back to your childhood. We hope you've enjoyed our video. If you like our video, give us a like or a comment or subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on our team. Once again, thanks for watching Senior Snoops.